Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to remove green screen in Filmora 12. If you have downloaded any green screen video, or have created any green screen video and want to remove it, this video is for you. I'll be showing how you can remove the green screen to make your videos to the next level. Make sure to follow these simple steps. After opening Filmora 12, drag your video to timeline. I have this green screen subscribe animation template. As you can see, it's not good and we have to remove green screen so that it will show in our video properly. To do this, drag the green screen video on the above of the video and where you want to show. After this, click on the green screen video. Here you can see some options for the video. In video section, go to AI tools. Click on chroma key option. Congratulations, the green screen has been removed. You can also remove any other color by using this color pick option. And if you think the green screen has not been removed 100%, try adjusting these settings. I mostly set the tolerance to 100. Let me show you the final results. So these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.